Naku po, iyak si Dilima. Naku, Senator Cheese, nagmusyon na. Tila ba'y pinatigil mga kababayan ang walang kwentang speech ni Dilima dyan sa Senado. Naku po, tama na ang drama, BP Sara, panalo na. Iyan ang ating alamin ngayon mga kababayan.
The Constitution entrusts this court with the solemn duty to determine whether the respondent Vice President committed culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, and betrayal of public trust. The evidence will show that she did.
You may wind up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due
Yes,
respect,
po.
of course. Your Honors,
Attorney
they can
po.
do that through the offer of their evidence.
Kung malalampasan sa aking opening statement because
Yes,
this is
but
supposed to be an
again,
overview.
it is the
of the
court.
Pambira talaga mga kababayan, no? Gusto talagang magdrama ni Dilima mga kababayan. Nasita tuloy ni Senator Cheese mga kababayan. Di ba? Pambira. Diyan sa Senado mismo, nagkalat pa din yang si Dilima mga kababayan. Pambira.
Court's
case,
position
the overview of the evidence.
to let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima.
Ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa paraang sumisira sa accountability.
Same
O
objection, Your
sumusuway
Honor.
sa pananagutan, dapat
Di ba mga kababayan dyan pa lang? Di ba puro kadramahan mga kababayan yung kanilang mga pinagagawa, lalong-lalo na itong si Dilima ngayon. Bihira. Di ba opening statement talagang nangungulimbat ng simpatiya mga kababayan. Pero hindi, wala na. Finish na talaga ito mga kababayan. Wala nang iniwala sa inyo, Madam Laila di. Di ba?
pa siyang pagkatiwalaan.
Honorable De Lima, kindly wind up. Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up. I will instruct the Honorable De Lima to kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the
Nako.
beginning. It was okay, Honorable De Lima. But
Nako.
later on, you did make conclusions of law
Ayun.
already, which the chair orders to be stricken from the record.
I submit to your honor. And so I will wind up.
Wind up.
Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makita ang hindi lang
Wind
mga
up ka
simpleng
dyan.
irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable
Ang
De Lima, I would have to
sistematikong
stop
paraan.
you.
This is out of
I would
line.
have to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
my
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, your honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Di ba? Lantarang pahiya mga kababayan. Pambira. Mabuti na lang at itong si Senator Cheese ngayon mga kababayan ay walang kabayas-bayas di ba? Pinatigil mga kababayan. Yang speech na walang kwentang yan Madam Laila din. Paano ba naman mga kababayan di ba puro kadramahan lang naman yan. Nangungulimbat nga ng simpatiya Yung witness nyo na, yung pagsalitain nyo. Pambira.
July 22, 2026, and shall consider the same as approved.
Date na ata to ngayon mga babae sa
The
impeachment
clerk
trial
of
ni
court will
Sara.
please call the case before the impeachment court.
Case number 004-2026 in the matter of impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Appearances?
Panoorin natin ang buo ito mga kababayan.
Good morning, Your Honors. Respectfully appearing for the prosecution, we are ready, Your
respectfully.
Honor, for the presentation of our initial witnesses for Article 1, that is confidential fund misuse, misappropriation, and irregular liquidation.
Sabi ni Luis Troy dito mga kababayan na yung witness nila ready na.
Good morning. Appearances for the respondent?
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Same appearances for the respondent accused.
Yun.
Good morning as well.
Attorney po mga kababayan.
Will the lead prosecutor kindly call their first witness for this morning?
Your Honor, may I request that the head prosecutor of Article 1, confidential fund, the Honorable Joel Chua, be recognized, Your Honor.
The Honorable Chua, member of the panel of
Chua,
prosecutors,
baby.
is recognized to
Chua.
call their first witness to the stand.
Eto mga babayan, yung si Chua. Isa din to sa pinangkikigilan ni Madam VP Inday Sara Duterte, mga kababayan. Tingnan nyo naman yung pagmumuka. Diba?
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, same appearance for the prosecution. Your Honor, may we be given a 5-minute opening statement? May we request Representative Laila De Lima to be recognized by the Chair, Your Honor?
The chair would like to remind the Honorable De
Eto
Lima,
na.
if indeed she will make an opening statement, to kindly avoid conclusions of both fact and law, as we have previously agreed upon and raised by the defense in previous hearings, and as pointed out by several senator judges. With that conditionality, the Honorable De Lima may proceed with her opening statement.
Nako po, nag-warning na pala mga kababayan si Senator Cheese before magsalita or pagsalitain itong si Dilima, mga kababayan. Pero nako po, nakita nyo naman sa ating introng video, mga kababayan, na ang tigas ng ulo. Diba?
Your Honor, may we comment on that matter?
Yes, what is the pleasure of Attorney Poe?
Your
Attorney
Honor,
Poe.
I'd like to apologize for having to comment on this matter, but
Yes,
as
Attorney Poe.
far as I
It's okay.
recall, the presiding officer already made a ruling before against opening statements, Your Honors.
Again, I will be very conscious, Honorable De Lima, with respect to statements of fact and law that are not coming out from the mouth
Fact
of
and
any
law,
witnesses
mga
you will
kababayan.
be presenting. So kindly be precise and short with
Yeah.
respect to your opening statements. You may proceed, ma'am, subject to those reminders.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
eto
This
na.
is about 5 minutes or a little more than 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Mr. Senate
para
President,
malamang
Mr.
yung
Presiding
drama na yan.
Officer, Honorable Senator Judges, mga kababayan, magandang umaga po. Sa
Hindi
ating
magandang
pagbabudget
umaga,
para
Madam
sa pamilya, dahil hindi naman unli ang pera,
Yeah.
masinop ang ating paggasta
Mm.
sa talagang kailangan at kapakipakinabang natin nilalaan. Ganyan din dapat sa pondo ng bayan. Sa yugtong ito ng paglilitis, pag-uusapan natin ang confidential funds.
Okay, ito na kabayan.
Ito ang budget para sa mga sensitibo at surveillance-related activities upang suportahan ang mandato ng mga civilian agencies. That the budget is intended for confidential operations does not mean that the conduct of the officials involved in the handling of people's money is exempted from the demands of transparency, scrutiny, and accountability. Public office is a public trust. Yan ang sabi ng konstitusyon. Sakop nito ang lahat na nasa gobyerno. At ang utos na yan ay hindi pwedeng balewalain dahil confidential lang o confidential ang pondo. Ang confidentiality ay para protektahan ang lehitimong operasyon at informant. Hindi ito pahintulot para mag-imbento ng pangalan at dokumento.
Yes
Hindi ito
po.
palusot para ibulsa ang pera. Kung confidential ang pondo, lalo pa ngang
Hindi
mataas
palusot,
ang
kabayan.
pananagutang kaakibat nito.
No?
The Constitution entrusts this court with the solemn duty to determine whether the respondent vice president committed culpable violation of the Constitution,
Eto na.
graft and corruption, and betrayal of public trust. The evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole,
Eto na,
demonstrates graft and corruption
Your Honors.
and betrayal of public trust.
Yun, di ba?
I'm
With the
Di ba mga kababayan? Sa makatuwid mga kababayan, sinabi dito ni Dilima na talagang makasalanan na po si BP Inday Sara Duterte, mga kababayan. Which is dapat magsalita dyan ngayon is yung witness na, mga kababayan. Di ba? Pakinggan natin si Atty. Poe.
permission
I
of
apologize.
with the permission of the Honorable De Lima. Yes, counsel for
Your Honors,
respondent.
again, Your Honors, I think we have to object
Yeah.
to the statements
Object,
being
siyempre.
made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable De Lima to
another-
kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning. It was okay, Honorable De Lima, but later
Tama,
on,
di ba? Tama
you
yan.
did make conclusions of law
Oh.
already, which the chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may
Di
wind.
ba mga kababayan? Di ba? Nagano na siya na makasalanan na si BP Inday talaga daw. Pambira. Mabuti nga hindi to ikinuntem mga kababayan. O dapat pang ikontem to yung si Dilima. Pambira.
Up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
3 seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin,
Tama.
narinig na po at nasabi
Yun.
na. So to allow Your Honors, again,
Tumpak, Atty. Poe.
a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Yan. Ang galing mo, Atty.
Honorable
Poe.
De Lima, kindly wind up. Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan sa aking opening statement because this
Yes,
is
but
supposed to be an
again,
Grabe mga babae, no? Nanghambog pa itong si Dilima. Pambira. Parang di abogado pero ako. Asan ba yung utak ngayon ni Dilima mga kababayan? Diba mas umaapaw ba yung talagang pamimpersonal niya kay BP Inday? Pambira kaya dito sila na ano mga kababayan eh, di ba? Dito sila natatalo syempre. Pambira. Talagang ini-insist nila mga kababayan.
review
it is the
of the
court's
case,
position
the overview of the evidence.
to let the witnesses speak, not the counsels,
Yun,
insofar
diba?
as the evidence is concerned
Ayun,
or
kabayan.
conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima.
Pambira.
I submit to your honors, and so I will wind up.
Pambira.
Kapag ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa
Yan
paraang
na
sumisira
naman,
sa
kaba-
accountability,
Same
o
objection,
sumusuway
Your
sa
Honor.
pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their money to Vice President Sara Duterte, was that trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials, by press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the prosecution is ready to present it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makitang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable De Lima, I would have to stop you.
This is out of
I would
line.
have to stop you at this point. The continuing
Stop
objection of
ka
the
na, Laila.
respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
my
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
At yan na nga ang buong detalye ng ating balita. Napakasalimuot at napakahalaga ng usaping ito. Kaya naman napakalaki rin ang epekto nito sa ating lipunan. Kayo naman, ano ang inyong personal na pananaw, reaksyon o masasabi patungkol sa isyong ito?
Komento niya lang po mga kababayan ha. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos mga kababayan. Eto naman, pakinggan natin si General mga kababayan. Ukol naman sa kanyang reaction. Dito sa pinagagawa ni Madam Laila De Lima mga kababayan. Pambihira. Eto, pasok po. General.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan.
Yes po.
Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong video posted by Bigwas ng Agila. Tungkol po ito, day 10 ng impeachment trial ni VP Sara.
Yes po, General.
Ang sumalang sa prosecution ay si Congresswoman De Lima. Opening statement pa lang, nagalit na si Senator Chis Escudero. Pinapa-strike out ang mga pahayag ni De Lima dahil wala na, nasobrahan ng galing. O, pakinggan natin ha.
Nako.
You were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar
Ito yung
situation.
kanina kabayan.
Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan.
Forward na natin kabayan.
Yes, but again,
Diba, kamugan yan mga kababayan, diba? Ang dami raw malalampasan sa kanyang statement na
to let the witness
naghambog
speak,
pa.
not the counsels,
Pambira.
insofar as the evidence is concerned.
I submit to
Forward na natin kabayan. Natamad na lang si General, oh.
Call your witness already.
Tama.
Honorable Delima,
Ah.
kindly wind up. Again, you are forewarned.
Aking opening statements, Your Honors. And so I will wind up.
Bilisan mo, Madam Laila.
Kabuuan ng ebidensya, makita ng hindi lang mga simple. I have to stop now.
Inyo para siya nang
eto na.
magsalita. At habang nagsasalita yung witness,
Mm.
ang trabaho niya as prosecution, magtanong siya para ma-expound further yung mga ebidensya na gusto nilang ilabas.
Correct.
Dapat ganon ang trabaho ng counsel.
Correct, kabayan.
Parehas lang sila ni
Mm.
Luistro nung malala nyo nung
Di ba?
proceedings.
Mm.
Yung mini trial nila sa
Kongreso.
sa Kamara, Committee on Justice. Every time na may hearing, may opening statement si
Luistro.
ano ito, Escudero na
Escudero pala.
puros propaganda ang sinasabi.
Yan. Di ba, mga kababayan? Di ba kanina nag-warning yung si Sir Torchis? So, pero di pa rin nakinig, mga kababayan.
Talagang ginagamit itong impeachment trial ni BP Sara
Mm.
para maglabas sila ng naratibo.
Mm.
They're hoping na kung naririnig ito ng taong bayan, maniniwala ang taong bayan,
Yan.
at masisira nila ang credibility ni BP Sara.
Patay sa ganyan, mga kababayan, no, is nangungulimbat sila or tila ba'y, di ba? Fishing expedition din. Di ba? Kasi nangungulimbat sila ng para maniniwala sa kanila di ba? Ang bihira, maniniwalang si BP Sara ay may makasalanan talaga. Ang bihira. Wala na
Not
talaga.
knowing, baliktad ang nangyayari
Yun.
habang binabato nila ng iba't ibang akusasyon o putik si BP Sara,
Mm.
lalo namang tumataas ang kanyang numero.
Yun.
So, grabe. Basa lang tayo ng mga ilang comments, ha?
Yes
Si
po,
Lola,
General.
hindi nakainom ng gamot. Halatang hindi marunong si Dilima. Iba yung iniisip.
Naku po.
Normal na yan sa matanda, ganyang sakit.
Mm.
Drama queen pa naman. Feeling above
Drama
below.
queen nga.
Hindi kasi nag-bend below. So palpal. Hindi pa nga na-present ang evidence, may conclusion of law. In fairness, believe na believe ako kay presiding officer, Senator Judge Escudero.
Jeez. Yan.
Napaka-patas niya
Tama.
sa
That's good,
opinion
mga
ko lang.
kababayan,
I
no?
don't know sa inyo.
Mm.
It's a blessing in disguise. Kahit bumaliktad siya, pumunta siya sa majority, naagaw ng Gatchalian Black yung Senate leadership. Kaya lang ngayon, nakikita ko, patas na patas si Senator Escudero. Hindi makalusot itong mga antics, itong mga style nila Luistro, Shell Jokno,
Tama.
Dilima.
Tama, General.
So, ngayon, si Attorney Powa naman yung nakita natin na mag-cross-examine sa witness. By the way, naiba na pala ang schedule. Dati-dati hapon nagsisimula,
Tama.
alas 2 ata. Ano bang oras nagsisimula?
2
Kasi
PM po,
kanina nagsimula
General.
alas 10.
Kanina, is
hanggang
alas 10,
alas
yeah.
10.
Yes po.
So, pang day 10 na ito.
Mhm.
Magkano ang gastos per day of trial? Estimated is 25 million pesos. Sana naman hindi
Pambi.
matuloy, hindi magkakatotoo. Yung sinasabi ni SP Gatchalian na baka abutin daw ito ng more than 1 year. Alam mo na, yung nangyari yung style na may continuance ng So si BP Sara naman, believe ako sa kanya dahil kahit ongoing na ang kanyang impeachment trial, kaya pa niyang magbiyahe palabas.
Correct.
So I believe si BP Sara, nandun pa siya ngayon sa Netherlands, spending time with Tatay Digong, which is very good. So salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito.
Yes po, salamat din po, General. Huwag kalimutan nating suportahan mga kababayan the General's Viewpoint, no? Oh, di ba? Pambihira talaga itong sila Madam Laila D. Kampo nila Luistro mga kababayan, no? Wala na. Talagang finish na mga kababayan. BP Sara. Nako, panalong panalo na syempre. Di ba?